Okay, technical demo time. All right, so the task I technical demo implement new feature. We implemented a brush tool into the uh, like bad blender thing. Um, all right, so I'll just use it to show it works. Effectively, what it's doing is it is spawning an entity with the sort of instinctual coordinates of your mouse. So wherever you're looking, and upon the mouse's position at a whatever y offset you set it to, a object that you've set all of the properties for will spawn, and yeah, I'll just do it. So how about as a demonstration, we will make a field of grass with some happy people in it. So we take the ground plane. Obviously, we want to make it big. Oh yeah, let's do this. All right, big ground plane. Scale. Whoop whoop. All right. So we're making a wonderful field of grass. Yep, there we go. That's good. Oh wow, that's very grass. Okay, now we're gonna go new light. Boom. That is very bright. Okay. Yeah, no, let's not do that. Okay, brush tool. This is a brush tool demonstration. Okay, so what we do is we'll start off by putting some happy people in the field. So we go new dude. All right, so this is inside of the brush tool is just the entity properties function, or like the entity properties modification stuff, and all of that's put in there. So if you change anything in the original function, it will automatically be available here. You don't have to mess around with that or anything. It just ports it in. All right, so we'll get the giant model that makes the internal graphics chip cry. Please load. Okay, so we want our. So you can use any of these sliders as per normal. So we'll make a bunch of tall men, and they will be blue. Okay, so the way this works is you just enable the brush tool. Right now it's set to once per click. So I just click and oh, that's a bit tall. All right, hold on. A little bit less tall, maybe. Wow, that's that's fantastic. Um, but yeah, so you can place a bunch of your objects instinctively on top of the mouse, and this spawn point is calculated by raycasting the camera's position to the mouse on the window. So on the window, not the screen, which I figured out the hard way. So it still works even when you've minimized like to a smaller resolution. And effectively, where that raycast intersects with your Y offset is the new spawn location for that object. So you can, if you wanted to like bury this guy's feet in the ground, you can do that. And yeah, they still spawn on top of, at least the object's origin will be directly on top of your mouse, which is, yeah, very nice to place stuff without sort of messing around too much. Okay, we'll make some nice grass for these happy blue men. Um, grass. Okay, so for this, to make grass, we're going to use our continuous our continuous stroke thing to allow us to almost paint the field before us. Ah, wonderful. And our grass is going to be a bit wide and rotated on the y-axis by this much. I don't know. Um, all right, and for the model of the grass, we will use cylinders because grass is a cylinder. You can also set the brush size. Believe that changes the scale of the object as well. Okay, so, um, whoops, we want to set this to continuous, and now we will paint some wonderful grass into the sea. that is, that's some chunky grass. Uh, oh, to solve this, we can use a little bit of transformation. Wait, where's the local transformation? All right, let's make our grass appear just a little bit higher up, and we'll change our Y offset to just be a bit higher, and this will make some exquisite grass. Ah, splendid. And so, yeah, you could populate along your mouse at an interval of, I think, zero point 0.3 of a second. You can have some nice grass appearing. Wow, look at this. It's so useful. This is a great tool. This is an amazing tool. But yeah, all of the objects created by your brush tool can be interacted with just like any other object. So you can select a bunch, and delete it. Oh dear, you could delete it, and yeah, it's handy. Very good addition to the software. Wow, good technical demo.